In this equation, we are just going to work some formulas that have radical symbols embedded in them. Here we have the formula to find the radius of a cylinder, and we have been given certain information. We've been given the height, we've been given the radius, we know pi is 3.14, but we're trying to solve for the volume. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in everything we know, and then we're going to undo the problem. And the height is 10. So after I plug in all of the given information, now I'm just doing work. So I know 3.14 times 10 is going to become 31.4, and I have equal to 5, okay? Now, just like we learned in the section, how do you cancel out the radical? Well, I'm going to cancel out this radical by squaring both sides. So that's going to leave me with 25 equals, and then I'm just going to have the fraction. And the only thing I have to do here to get v by itself is get rid of, oh, that's supposed to be 31.4, I'm sorry. The only thing I have to do here to get v by itself is actually multiply 31.4 times 25. So my volume would be 785 centimeters, and we know it's cubed because it's volume, right? Volume is always cubed. Let's look at one more. Same type of thing. This time I have the formula for the radius of a sphere. I'm still working backwards, plugging in all the information that I know. Four times pi. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the 4 times pi first. So I have 6 equals the cube root of 3v over 12.56. The only way to get rid of this cubed, or the cube root, is to cube it. So 6 cubed is 216. This cancels. And now it's just regular algebra. I'm going to do 216 times 12.56. And then I'm going to take that number, which is kind of big, and divide it by 3 to get v by itself. It always comes back to the basics. And this is centimeters cubed as well, because we know volume is always cubed.